Gaming today is not just about playing. It is about comfort, speed, and staying ready at all times. A weak controller or slow charger can ruin the whole experience in seconds. Many players in the United States now look for reliable gear that saves time and feels right in hand. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started and find what truly stands out. Number 5 Best PS5 Controller Charging Station. This charging station is a simple yet useful addition for any PlayStation 5 setup. I like how it keeps things clean and organized without taking much space. It lets you charge 2 controllers at once, which is great if you play often or share your console. The charging speed feels quick enough for daily use. You can plug it into a wall outlet, so you do not have to rely on the console being on. That is a big plus for convenience. Fast charging speed, dual controller support, built-in safety protection. One thing I noticed is the build feels light. It works fine, but it may not feel premium. Still, for the price, it does its job well. Many users in the United States like this type of setup because it helps reduce cable clutter in small gaming spaces. Number 4 Wireless Controller for PS4 2-pack. This controller pack gives you 2 units at a fair price, which is helpful if you play with friends or family. I like the design because it feels close to the original, and the colors add a bit of style. The touchpad and motion sensor work well for most games. The built-in speaker also adds a fun touch during gameplay. It feels responsive and easy to use even for long sessions. Dual pack value, responsive touchpad, built-in speaker support. However, the battery life could be better. It is fine for casual gaming, but heavy users may need to charge more often. For many players in the United States, this is still a good budget option for multiplayer gaming. Number 3 Sayu Wireless Controller or PS4. This controller stands out for comfort. The shape fits well in hand, and the grip feels natural during long sessions. I noticed the buttons respond smoothly, which helps in fast-paced games. It works with multiple systems, including Windows Personal Computer, which adds flexibility. The motion control and touchpad also perform well for most game types. Ergonomic design comfort, wide compatibility support, smooth button response. The design looks good, but it may not feel as durable as premium controllers. Still, it is a solid option for price. Many casual gamers in the United States prefer this type of controller for everyday use. Number 2 Gamrombo LED Wireless Controller for PS5. This controller adds style with its light design while still offering good performance. I like how it feels modern and slightly different from standard options. The vibration and motion control make gameplay more immersive. It also includes extra functions like turbo, which can be useful in certain games. LED lighting design, dual vibration feedback, turbo function support. One thing to note is that setup requires a cable at first, which may confuse some users. Also, it is not compatible with older consoles. Still, for players who want something unique, it is a fun choice. Number 1 Best Pick NBCP Wired PS5 Controller. This controller earns a top spot because of its strong performance and wide compatibility. It works with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and personal computer, which makes it very flexible. I like how it removes the need to worry about battery life. Since it is wired, the Hall effect triggers feel smooth and precise. This helps a lot in shooting or racing games where control matters. The turbo feature also adds an advantage in fast action gameplay. Hall effect trigger control, multi-platform compatibility, turbo performance mode. It also includes vibration and motion features that make games feel more real. While the wire design may not suit everyone, many serious gamers in the United States prefer stable connections for competitive play. That is where this controller shines. Final verdict: if you want the best overall performance, the NBCP wire controller is the top choice. It offers strong control, wide compatibility, and reliable performance without worrying about battery life. It is a great pick for serious gaming. For a more stylish and feature-rich option, the Gamrombo LED controller is a solid second choice, especially if you enjoy extra functions and a modern look. Take a moment to check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details. This will help you choose the right controller for your setup.